Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hide apps on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. If you want to hide apps from your home screen, then I'll show you how can you do it. So I have three methods to hide apps from your phone. So for the first method, what you need to do is just simply hold your home screen and then you have to tap on these dots. And now here it's your pages. So now I'm going to uncheck on this one. As you can see guys, tap on this. As you can see guys, here is two pages, and as you can see guys, and if you want to unlock them, just simply tap on this again, tap on this, and then you have to check on this. Let me show you here, one, two, or three. And here is the second one. For that, open settings, and then you have to scroll it on, tap on screen time, and from here you have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now let me show you here, tap on allow apps. So from here you can also turn off like this. Now I'm going to turn off camera, FaceTime, Safari. So let me show you here. Here you can see guys, it's not showing here camera or Safari, as you can see guys. And here is another way for that. Open setting again, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Firstly, let me show you here. I'm going to tap on content and restrictions. Wait for a while from here. Now tap on apps. Now if you want to hide your apps, then you have to tap on toggle. Let me show you here. Here is the apps. All the apps has been hidden except Apple apps. Okay guys, if you want to unblock them, just simply tap on this, tap on screen time, again tap on content and privacy restriction, tap on content restrictions. Now tap on allow. Let me show you here. As you can see guys, here is the apps. And if you want to hide apps, open settings again. So here is the third way to hide apps, and here you have to tap on focus. Now from here you have to create a new focus, tap on plus. Now tap on custom, select the color, write the name, hide apps, tap on next, tap on custom focus. Now here you have to choose your home screen, and if you want to appear the home screen, then you can check on this. Now I'm going to check on this one, tap on done. Let me show you here. Here is three pages, one, two, or three. Let me show you here. Now I'm going to turn on focus mode for hide app. So let me show you here. Here is the one page. Other two pages had been hidden from my iPhone. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.